Welcome back to Eatin Good at the University of Scranton with your host, Father Marina, President of the University of Scranton.
Hello, friends. I'm here today with Matt and Alyssa, two of our presidential scholars, and we are going to reveal the perfect recipe for this year's President's Medal Gala, which will take place on Thursday, October 2nd in New York City. Here we go. First, find yourself a promising young student with an interest in the restaurant industry. Next, season him with the pursuit of excellence grounded in gratitude. Care for his whole person. Add in a childhood dream, years of hard work, numerous industry recognitions, and top the whole thing off with one big apple. Bake it at 98.6 degrees for about 60 years. Then remove the covering, and voila! We have Harry T. Rose of the class of 1965, former member of the university's Board of Trustees, and founder and chairman of the Rose Group, one of the largest restaurant franchise companies in the United States, and the owner-operator of 55 Applebee's Neighborhood Grill and Bar locations. Our 2025 President's Medal Gala honoree. Next, hold a black tie gala benefiting the Presidential Scholarship Endowment Fund, which awards 4-year merit-based full tuition scholarships to outstanding students like Matt and Alyssa at Pier 60, Manhattan's premier waterfront event venue, and honor Harry's extraordinary accomplishments by presenting him with the President's Medal. Simple, right? Any questions?
Father, how do we register for the event?
And how do we support the Presidential Scholarship Endowment Fund?
Just visit scranton.edu/President's Medal Gala to register, to make a gift, and to learn more about the gala and Harry's life and career, including the time that we named the Rose Room, an event venue that never fails to make its guests feel welcome in his honor. And that, my friends, is why we're eating good at the university today. Go Royals!
Go Royals!